He wants the scroll for his own power and his own vengeance. That's how beasts are. He'll pour all his rage into the scroll and destroy everything.
You're right.
So it's true. Iruka-sensei never believed in me. He thinks I'm some beast. Some kind of freak!
That is how beasts are. But that's not who Naruto is. He's nothing like that. Naruto's one of a kind. Works hard, puts his whole heart into it. Sure, he messes up sometimes, and everyone jumps on him. But his suffering only makes him stronger. That's what separates him from being a beast. So you're wrong. He's nothing like the nine-tailed fox. He's Naruto Uzumaki, of the village hidden in the leaves.